Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm James.
Hello, James.
Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you all today. I'm really happy we can do this.
It's great to see you too, James. You seem to be in a great mood today.
I am. It's a fresh year and a brand new week. I'm feeling positive. How about you, Lima?
I'm doing quite well, thank you. I've been a bit busy, but that's all right.
Being busy can be good. But before we dive into our weekly routines, we should say something to our listeners, don't you think?
Absolutely, you're right, James. Everyone, if you're enjoying our podcast, please hit that like button for us right now.
Yes, please do. And make sure to subscribe to Smart English Official. Your support means a lot. We're hoping to create many more episodes for you this year.
And don't forget to share this with friends and family. If someone you know is learning English, they can listen along and learn with us.
Exactly. Sharing is caring.
It truly is. So, James, it's January, the start of the year. We're in the first week. It seems everyone is discussing their goals and new habits.
They are. So today we're going to talk about our typical week. What does our schedule look like from Monday to Sunday?
That's a perfect topic, James. A week has 7 days, and each one has its own feeling.
That's so true. For me, the week kicks off on Monday. Lima, are you a fan of Mondays?
That's a tricky one. On Monday morning, I'm often still very sleepy. My bed is just so cozy.
I know the feeling. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. and I think, just 5 more minutes.
Yes, but then I remember my coffee. I adore coffee. I head to the kitchen and brew a large hot cup.
Coffee is a lifesaver. On Mondays, I really try to get organized. I check my planner and write down my to-do list.
A to-do list. That's very clever. James, what's usually on your list for Monday?
Well, I often have several emails to send and I need to head into the office.
The office? Is it a long commute from your home?
Not too far, no. I usually take the bus. I enjoy the bus ride because I can listen to podcasts or read.
That's nice. I prefer to walk to work. It's good exercise. Since it's January and chilly, I bundle up in a warm coat and a scarf.
Walking is excellent. So, when you arrive at work on Monday, what's the first thing you do?
First, I greet my coworkers. I give them a smile and ask, "How was your weekend?" Like we practiced before.
Well done, Lima. Starting the week with a friendly attitude is key. Yes. Then I check my computer. My Mondays are usually full of meetings.
Meetings. So many meetings. Oh, I understand. Monday seems to be the day for planning and discussions.
Precisely. Then comes Tuesday. Tuesday already feels a bit smoother than Monday.
I agree. On Tuesday, I typically go to the gym after my workday. It's part of my New Year's routine.
The gym? That's impressive, Lima. Is it challenging?
It can be tough at first, but I feel amazing afterwards. I spend about an hour there. I use the treadmill and do some lightweight training.
I should go to the gym too. But in January, it's always so packed. Everyone has the same resolution.
That's true. Everyone wants to start the year healthier. On Tuesdays, I like to prepare a proper dinner. I stop by the grocery store and pick up some veggies and fish.
Fish and vegetables, very nutritious. James, do you use a shopping list?
I do. I think about our conversation on budgeting. The list helps me avoid buying unnecessary snacks.
Smart. Stick to the needs, not the wants on Tuesday.
Exactly. Then we reach Wednesday. Wednesday is the midpoint of the week. Some people call it Hump Day.
Hump Day. That's an interesting name. What's the reason for it?
Because it's like climbing a hill. You go up on Monday and Tuesday, you reach the top on Wednesday, and then it's downhill toward the weekend.
I like that idea. Wednesday is a solid day. On Wednesday evenings, I usually catch up with my friend Sarah.
Sarah, the one who's planning her trip?
Yes. We meet at a little coffee shop and chat. We talk about her travel plans and how our week is going. It's very calming.
That sounds really nice. A little break in the middle of the week is essential. What about your Wednesday, James?
Wednesday is my home cleaning day. After work, I go back to my apartment and tidy up. I do the dishes and vacuum the floors.
Wow, James, you're quite productive on Wednesday.
I am, but I enjoy having a clean space. It makes me feel more relaxed and focused.
I understand. A tidy home leads to a tidy mind. Then comes Thursday. Thursday is great because Friday is right around the corner.
Yes. By Thursday, I'm usually feeling a bit tired from the week. I skip the gym and just stay in to watch a film.
What kind of films do you enjoy, James?
I really like comedy films. I enjoy laughing. It helps me unwind from any work pressure.
Laughter is great therapy. On Thursdays, I focus on my English study. I read for a while and review new words.
That's fantastic, Lima. You're such a dedicated learner.
Thank you. I want to keep improving. Then finally, it's Friday, the highlight of the week for many.
Oh yes, the love for Friday is universal. The atmosphere at work changes. People are more cheerful.
Yes, we wrap up work and wish each other a nice weekend. What do you normally do on Friday night, Lima?
I sometimes go out, but more often I'm pretty tired. I'll order some food. My favorite is a vegetable pizza with extra cheese.
Pizza on a Friday is a classic. I'm a fan. I usually watch a basketball game on TV Friday night. I find it really entertaining.
Basketball? So you're a sports enthusiast, James?
I am. It's thrilling. And then the weekend begins. Saturday. Saturday. My top day. I sleep in until about 9 o'clock. No alarms?
9 o'clock? Nice. I sleep until 8. I can't seem to sleep much later than that.
8 is still sleeping in for you, James. On Saturday morning, I like to visit a nearby park. I enjoy the nature and the quiet. It's very serene.
I go to the local market on Saturday. I pick up fresh bakery items and some berries. The strawberries look so bright and tasty.
Sounds wonderful. Then on Saturday afternoon, I often do some casual shopping. I enjoy browsing in bookstores or clothing shops.
Do you end up buying a lot?
Not really, I mostly just look. It's enjoyable to walk around and see the city. Saturday evening is for socializing. I often go out for a meal with a group of friends. We might have something like curry or grilled food and just talk for a long time.
That sounds perfect. Good friends really improve your life.
They absolutely do. And then Sunday, the week's final day. Sunday is for taking it slow. I wake up and prepare a large breakfast. Pancakes, some fruit, and tea.
A big breakfast is the best. On Sundays, I go to see my grandparents. They live close by.
That's lovely, James. Spending time with family is so important.
It is. My grandmother usually makes a big afternoon meal. We sit around the table and share stories from our week.
Do you tell them about Smart English Official?
Of course I do. They listen to every episode. They tell me, James, we can hear your confidence growing.
Oh, that's so kind of them. Say hello to your grandparents from us.
I will. Hello. On Sunday night, I sometimes get a bit of a low feeling.
A low feeling? Why is that?
Because Monday is approaching. I need to get ready for the work week again. I'll choose my outfit for Monday and set it aside.
I know that Sunday night feeling, but it's also a chance to recharge. I like to read a novel in bed on Sunday nights. I try to turn in early.
That's a good habit. Being well rested is crucial for a good start.
It really is. So, James, we have quite a packed week.
We do. From Monday planning to Sunday family time, life is full, but in a good way.
It is. I appreciate having a routine. It helps me feel in control.
Me too. Even in cold January, when staying under the covers is tempting, having a structure is helpful.
Definitely. Well, James, we covered a lot today.
We really did. It was a wonderful chat. Let's do a quick recap of what we discussed.
Sure, we talked about Mondays and how a good coffee ritual helps us begin.
Yes. And we talked about work and the importance of a friendly greeting.
We also mentioned our January goals like exercising more and choosing healthy meals.
That's right. And we can't forget the middle of the week, Wednesday, for cleaning and your coffee date with Sarah.
And the best part, the weekend. Pizza on Friday, the park on Saturday, and family on Sunday. It's a balanced week. I'm glad we could share this.
Me too. It reminds us that we all have our own patterns and similar experiences.
Yes. To our listeners, your week is likely full of activities too. We'd love to hear about it.
Everyone, please write a comment below.
Yes. Tell us, what is your favorite day of the week and the reason? Do you like Wednesday because you're halfway through, or do you prefer Saturday for its freedom?
We really enjoy reading your messages in English. It's excellent practice.
It is. And please, if you liked our conversation, subscribe to Smart English Official and give us a thumbs up. It encourages us so much. Share this with anyone who is practicing their English.
Yes. Well, Lima, I should get going. I need to get a head start on my Monday preparations.
Good luck with that, James. And good luck to everyone listening. Have a productive week.
Thank you, Lima. It was a pleasure, as always.
The feeling is mutual. Wishing you all a wonderful week ahead. Goodbye for now. We'll see you next time. Take care.